Hi there. Does your faith feel more like a weight than wings these days? Like the rules and dogma you grew up with just don't fit anymore? I've been there, and I know how hard it is to want change, but not know where to start. And your faith has turned into uncertainty and fear. That's why I created Your Faith Reset, a 5-day journey to rediscover your unbound spirit on your terms. It's a totally free challenge to help you break free and find a spirituality that feels right for you starting today. Here's how it works. For 5 days, you'll get one short email from me. Each email will have a simple step to let go of what's holding you back. Rebuild a faith that feels authentic and strong. No rules, no guilt, just a path to peace. It takes less than 10 minutes a day, and by the end, you'll feel lighter. You'll gain clarity and be ready to own your spirituality. Did I mention it's free? All you need to do is go to this link and share your contact details. Visit reverendbillmcbride.com/email challenge. We'll start tomorrow bright and early with your first email. This is your chance to reset your faith, feel God's complete love and closeness once again, without doing it alone. Are you ready to rediscover faith on your terms? Sign up now. I can't wait to see you in your inbox. Let's do this.